Hey everybody, this is a little rant on proper care of the intact penis. Yet again today I saw some stuff on Facebook about how if you have your foreskin it's dirty and all that, and of course they were spouting the usual misconceptions about got to use a lot of soap and all this kind of thing. I get so sick and tired of hearing everybody repeating this nonsense, and then they won't listen to you when you tell them that is wrong. They've been so brainwashed in the United States that they just won't listen when you tell them no soap and why and what soap does. Soap changes the pH level and actually makes the inside of the foreskin more susceptible to odor-causing bacteria, which is the smell thing people talk about. And number two, it also makes it more friendly to yeast. So using soap actually creates yeast infections and irritation and things like that. But yet you have guys that'll be like, well, I've always used soap, but I've had no problems. Well, guess what? It doesn't always cause a problem. You can do something unhealthy, and some people it may affect them right away. Some people maybe years down the road, and some people may luck out and not. But the fact remains that it's not the best way. We don't soap up under our eyelids. We don't pry up our fingernails. People need to learn to not use soap inside the foreskin and never retract the foreskin of a child. The boy himself should retract it when he is ready, when it's naturally happening. And that's often in his teenage years. 11 or 12 is the average. That doesn't mean there's something wrong if it hasn't by then. It could be all the way till 18, and that's still normal. People need to get this in their heads. The other thing that people were saying is they talk about old men in nursing homes. Well, you know why the old men in nursing homes are having problems? It's because the nurses and nurses' aides, CNAs, whoever is bathing them, doesn't know about water only, and they're using soap. They're creating problems. Furthermore, women get yeast infections as well, much more so than men. And people in the United States are not advocating for circumcising women or anything crazy like that. So people need to start seeing circumcising boys is just as crazy as circumcising girls. They're both equally wrong, and there is absolutely no reason for it. And when people look at the whole cleanliness myth, they need to realize that it's these people that are not treating or caring for an intact penis properly, that's what's causing the problems, not the foreskin. So once more, water only inside the foreskin. Never use soap. If you do it for yourself, well, that's on you. But don't advocate it for anyone else because it's not the best way. Water only underneath the foreskin.